Hello, how are you all? Now, something with SS. As we has gone through the Constitution of India, Chapter 8, Framing of Constitution and its Futures. In that, the main aspect of this thing, Constitution, or as we know, Samvida, we can say. Now, the main aspects regarding this thing is a preamble. We can say Alekh in Gujarati. I don't know properly in Hindi or Gujarati. Some say Alekh or something. But I have written here what is preamble. The most important thing regarding this thing, and if we are going through any book within, then also you can see the index. Before index there is something. The writer's corner is there. Before that some moral values to maintain, some our duties that we have to maintain. These all things are there. Above all, there is a pledge, Indian pledge. So preamble is like that of pledge of India. We solemnly go with that pledge like this. Preamble stands for. Here I have written what is preamble is the point regarding your book. You can go through the book, you have to open your books regarding whenever you go through my lectures, I have to say about this. Then what is preamble? Preamble is a core and important part of Constitution. Core, what does core stand for? Main and important part of our Constitution. Indian Constitution begins with preamble. So when the Constitution of India begins with preamble, the word written in preamble highlights the soul of Constitution. So whatever words are written in this preamble that is given on your page number 57, please open this page. It's my kind request to understand, to know the particular word. You have to go through this. So let's begin with Constitution of, the words inscribed, it is written in script, SCRIB, script we can say. In the preamble are given below. Constitution of India. But preamble, we, the people of India, having solemnly with heart, with our all enthusiasm regarding our country, all the feelings, nationality we can say, with our heart, by heart, solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, social, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens. So the first page of this thing, preamble, very important words are written over there, and we have to go through it. What are they? Here it is completely written, sovereign, means without any discrimination. Socialist, samajik we can say. Secular, we all are secular. We all are united. Democratic, you all know what is democracy. Democracy is Lokshaya. Public rule we can say. Republic, we are republic. Means nobody is ruling us. Public, we rule ourselves on us. Understanding? No doubt the politicians are there. We are electing the person and then as our representative, sending them either in as a member of legislative assembly, member of legislative council, member of parliament, then the chief minister, the prime minister, etc. are selected. So we are electing, we are selecting. So the word is there, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens. And we are secure, and it is secure. These constitutions give security to all its citizens. Now the word is justice. How is justice in India? Which type of justice? Social, economical, and political. We get justice. Social, economical, and political. Then liberty, as you all know, liberal. Liberty of thought. We are having liberty of, we can think what we want. The people of South Korea, they cannot do this because there is a king. People of China, because it's a socialist pressure of the government. Then we can express, here it is liberty of expression. We can express our thoughts. We can speak our belief, whatever we believe, liberty of belief. We can go to any religion, it is, we can say. Faith, Vishwas, we can say. And worship. We can worship, sorry, we can worship any god. If I want to worship a Muslim saint, I can. I want to go Gurudwara, I can. I want to go mosque, I can. Then what is equality? Equality of status and of opportunity. We have the equality of our status. Means all are equal and we can get each and every opportunity. If you want to be the Prime Minister of India, you can be. It is not so that a certain person, a person coming from a certain religion, a certain locality, a social life, living a luxurious life, a businessman, anybody else, a particular person and only cannot be the Prime Minister. No, it's free. Even you, from you, my 9th standard student, anybody can become Prime Minister. Yeah, President of India. And to promote among them all. And it is written, and to promote. These all things are promoted to all. Now, fraternity. Fraternity assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. What is fraternity? Assuring the dignity of the individual. We are dignified person. I am Indian. I can do everything. Our constitution has described these rules, regulation, many things, that whatever I want to do, I can do. Not crime. Regarding good thoughts, good deeds, I can do. Here, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity. We are in a unit form. We have the unity and integrity of the nation. What is integrity? Sarvabhaumata, we can say. I am using Gujarati word to make you understand. If you have any complaint, you can go to the officials. Means, we are equal. We have our own pride. We can do anything. As I told earlier, a person, a boy or girl from my 9th standard, he or she can become the Chief Minister of Gujarat. He or she can become Prime Minister of India. It depends upon the ability. It goes towards you. Then in our Constitution Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, please remember this date, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. It means from this particular day of November, means 26th day of November, this Constitution was given to us. It came into its process. And so we are just celebrating our Republic Day. So preamble stands the foremost, uppermost level of the Constitution. Without preamble, nothing is there. Preamble is important for you. Further, we will go to the next page. It is written, the preamble remained unchanged till 1976. The words socialist, secular and unity and integrity of the nations were added. Some new words were added. The preamble verbalized the fundamental objective of the Constitution, aims, idea and principles. Therefore, the preamble straightway gives a clear insight of the rule of welfare, the preamble reflects constitution framers' side. So the constitutions, the preamble, withstand with the constitution. Some words were added in 1976, and we got the change regarding this thing. And here it is written, it is verbalize the fundamental objective of the constitution. What are the fundamental objective of the constitution? How the constitution is prepared, on which basis? Unity, justice, integrity, many things. Secular, socialistic. Socialistic means among every samaj, social life we can say. Aims ideas and principle. It aims the ideas and the principles. You all have own principles. Then what is important of preamble? We will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you.